Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. I like it. I'm in love. Period. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some products that I got from a website called Temu. I'm just going to show you the name really quickly. Temu. So this website I've actually been ordering from for a very long time now. I've ordered probably like 6 times. I'm that obsessed at this point because number one, their items are very affordable. Number two, they come pretty quickly, not as fast as Amazon, but are not also as late as AliExpress or Alibaba, one of the websites, but they come really fast. So I'm like, let me just get as much as I can before many people know about this website and the prices to start going up. Nope, I'm not waiting until that time. Grab. And you know the funny thing, now I checked back at some items that I bought previously and the prices are going up. So grab your copy now. Anyways, I'm not trying to make this video too long because I have to get back to work. I'm actually on my break, so yeah. So this is the first package that I'm going to open up for you. I'm just going to review some of the items that I got from them and basically explain why I got them, and yeah. Okay, so the very first item I can see here is this. So this, if you can see, it's like so shiny. I'm gonna insert like what I'm talking about right here, but basically that's what it's for. And I am so excited because it looks like it's of very good quality. It doesn't look like it's like feeble, like it doesn't look like it can break very easily, so which is fantastic. Okay, let's see. This one is for wires. You know how wires are like all over the place? I need to like sort out my wires and like keep them together. So that's what basically the item is. And you can see the picture right here. That's what that is. Oh, I got a bonnet. Let me try this out. This is so cute. Look at that. I can literally wear this out. Like, I'm not one of those people that are like, oh no, don't wear bonnets out. Nope. I wear what I want to wear when I want to wear it. Sue me. I literally could wear this for the rest of this video and come bite me. Come bite me. What's next? I bought a waist trainer because I'm finna get back into my waist training because my waist is getting big and it's not cute. So basically this one, oh, it's pretty much how it looks. You wear it like that and then you clip it. It has like 3 hooks. This is actually not a bad quality. I am pleasantly surprised. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like and I am actually in love. This is a size medium. Cute! Let's come back in. Whew, child. I bought a memory card, 120 gigabyte for this amount. Next thing I got was, so this is an air purifier. I got this because sometimes when I open the door, some fumes from the kitchen or smell from the kitchen comes in here and I don't like that. So I'd like this to purify the air basically. I have 2 packages, yes. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff here, man. I actually ordered a lot from Temu because I don't know if it's Temu or Temu, but this is one of my favorite things I ordered. This is what do they call this thing? Aurora projection lamp. Right here. I'm just gonna turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. I just hope it works. I hope it's not one of those things. So it comes like this. Super cool, right? And then it has a remote, and then it has the wire and the head. Okay, so I'm connecting it now. And Well, I can't. Well, basically, this is what it looks like in my background. So do you guys hear like the different types of like sleep sounds? This is like heavy rain. This is like music. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. Super impressed. Alright, so the next item I have here is a hammer. We needed one of these in the house. Wow, this is quite heavy. Like, I thought it would be like a plaything, but this is the real deal. Pardon me, guys. I'm working with one hand over here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. Not bad. I needed one of these in my car because I need to charge my phone. The one I've had for years has actually spoiled. So yeah, this one has two Type-C spots and then two USB spots. Right, so this is the next item I got. This came just like this. I'm quite disappointed, but hopefully it's not squashed inside. Hopefully everything still looks nice and cute. Let's see. It's pretty. Oh wow, this is so pretty, guys. Look at the shine on that. During the summer, this would be like a cute one. So this is for like my phone. That is so sparkly. I love it. Right, so the next item is this. It's just like a cute pair of shades. I had one like this before, but I don't know where I dropped it, so I have to buy another one. Looks cute. Not bad. I like it. It's cute. Next item I got, this was actually one of the cheapest things I got. I think it was less than $1 for 3 shower caps, and it feels pretty much like a shower cap, like nothing special or fancy about it, but yeah, it feels good, looks good, not bad. Right, so I think this is like one of my favorite things that I bought. They're headphones. They're actually gaming headphones, but I'm just gonna use this for work. Ooh, this looks fancy. Alrighty. Show me what you're working with. Okay, all of this packaging. That'll look cute, cute, cute. Come on, I'm trying to use one hand over here. Oh, that is wicked. What? Yo, look at that. Yo. I'm in love, guys. I'm actually in love. This is like I'm not even playing anything yet, and I literally feel like this is noise canceling. I'm in love. Period. So basically that's it from me, and I got my link down below, so you guys should click on the link and download Temu, and you basically get some coins off your purchase. So basically, because you're clicking on the link below, you're going to save some coins from your purchase. Isn't that cool? I got you. I got you. Like, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm done ranting. I have to get back to work before they sack me. I need money to buy some more things from Temu. I'm joking. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and just expect more content from me, okay?